Watson's Wagons. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my GE refrigerator because if any of you guys have this version, and I'm sure there's other versions that are impacted by this, the internal lights start to flicker. You open the door and it's like this, and then eventually they go out. Well, it's an easy fix. I want to show you how to repair that. There's no need to call a repairman, okay? Just follow my process here and just stay with me. You'll understand. All right. I hope I don't have fingerprints showing, but don't judge me if I do. Oh, now you'll notice that the lights came on. They were on briefly. Let's try it again. You see how they went out? Now, all of these lights, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're all connected to each other. And they're actually dependent on each other to operate. Okay? Very simple. They're just little LED guys. But you'll discover that one of them's not working. And when one of them's not working, they're all not going to work properly. Now, in some cases, you may have a whole bunch of them that are out and not know which one it is, and you're going to have to pluck these out and figure out which one's bad just by swapping out little electronics and stuff like that. I make that sound a lot more complicated than what it needs to be. So I come over here. I'll show you this little package that of replacement lights that you can get from Amazon for this refrigerator, and I'm going to show you how to install this. All right, hang tight. I'm going to go to the busted one here, and I'm just going to get my little fingernail back there and pop this little thing loose. See that? Now we're going to disconnect this from the light socket. You'll notice there's a tab right here, and this is a very short cable. You don't have a lot to mess with there, but you're just going to click on that, squeeze it, and pull it out. Okay, get the camera here. It's that simple. That's all there is to it. Now let's go over to the kitchen counter. Hey, that looks like Watson's Models up there. That's my other channel. Check it out. Okay, here are the little light assemblies. Okay, very simple. Now you should just be able to snap it off. Look at that, it just snaps off. Magic. So that is off, and you'll notice there's little plastic tabs here, okay, that you can squeeze, and you lift that right out. You grab the replacement, line it up. Okay, let's get the, I'm making myself look like a fool here. There's a little pin there and a hole. You line those up. You snap this back into place. Come on, get in there. There we go. This is very slippery. And you'll see how that snapped back into place. Right there's a tiny little bulb. And right there's the hole where that pin goes. All right, let's go plug this in. If I did everything right, when I plug this socket in, everything should light up. I can get the socket lined up. Look at that. Snap it back into place. All right, close the left door first because you got that flipping hinge there. Next one. And there is light. All right. Just wanted to show you that because it's super quick. It only takes a few seconds because you're not filming it and you don't have to keep moving the camera around, but all the lights work now. Now, these lights are pretty cheap, all right? It's literally that simple, okay? I'm gonna put an image of the, boy, I really need to shave, don't I? All right. I'll put an image of what the Amazon page looks like, and right now I think they have a 5% off coupon. It's like 23 bucks for 3 of these, all right? They come in a little deal. So You can't get a service guy out to your house, look at that, and charge you the visit, the whatever billable hours he's going to charge you, plus a markup on parts for 23 bucks. Fix the light yourself. It only takes a couple minutes, and stash the other two away in case another one burns out. So that's it. It's a simple deal. Okay, if that was helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I'm also going to put a link on at the end of the video to the water filter replacement for this refrigerator. So check it out if you haven't done it yet. It's not difficult. There are some things you need to think about so you don't break it as you're removing it, because otherwise you can cause some problems. So, hey, thanks for visiting, and have a good day.